Good morning, boys and girls. I wanted to show you how to do this sheet that you have in your math choices. It says make a 10 to subtract. So I know that we kind of did not go over this in school, so I thought it would be a good idea to make a video on this. So we have find 15 minus 7. Now they're asking us to make a 10. So we have to think about 15 minus 7. So look over here. We have 15 minus 7. So what we're going to try to do is this 15, we're going to make it a 10. Now to do that, we have to subtract something from 15. In 15, there is 1 10 and 5 ones. Okay, so if I take away the 5 from 15, it should give me 10. So in 15, there is 10 and 5. Okay, so I have to take away the 5. Where do I get that 5 from? So now I look at 7. 7 has 5 and 2. So this is what I'm going to do. So we have this 15, right? Minus 7. I am going to subtract 15 minus 5. I'm going to get 10. Okay, and then what is left over? 2. So I'm going to take 10 minus 2 equals 8. So if I had to put this on a double 10 frame, I would have 15. So I'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So if you look on the double 10 frame, I have 15 circles and I need to make a 10 first. So I'm going to take away the 5, 3, 4, 5, right? 5. How many more do I need to take away? 2 more. 1, 2. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is my answer. 15 minus 7 equals 8. Let's try another one. Okay. The next one says 13 minus 6. So I'm going to think in my head that in order for me to make this 13 10, what number do I need to take away? I need to take away 3 because in 13 I have 1 10 and 3 ones. So I need to take away those 3 ones to get 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split the 6 because I need the 3 to take away the 3 from 13 to get 10. So 6, I'm going to split. I know 3 plus 3 doubles gives me 6. So I'm going to go take away this, right? So 13 minus 3, okay, down here equals 10. And then I have, let me put that in a box for you, right? And then I have another 3 that's remaining. So I'm going to do minus 3 and I'm going to count back 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that gives me 7. Let's try to do this on the double frame. So I'm going to put 13 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alright, so now I'm going to make 10 on the double frame. I know that my one frame has 10 boxes, so I definitely have to take away these 3. Same thing, I was saying, see, what do we need to take away from 13 to make 10? And now we took away the 3 and we have 10 circles left. But we need to take away 6, so we already took away 3, 4, 5, 6. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did we get our answer? Yes. So we're going to do it step by step. 13 minus 3 equals 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Then 13 minus 6, which we were solving before, equals 7. I hope you understand this. If it's hard for you, let's also look at the number line. On the number line, we have 15 here. I know you won't have the number line at home. You might have to draw it. That's why I taught you the other way. I taught you this method, and I used the double 10 frame for you to use beans or bottle caps. Make your own double 10 frame at home, and you could use those to count and take away. If you want to do it on the number line, you have to think about 15 is right here. To go to 10, I need to jump how many spaces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So did we do that? Did we take away 5? Here, 15 minus 5 equals 10. So we got 10. How many more did we need to take away? We need to take away 7, right? So we have 5. We are at 5 here. 6, 7. What number did we get? 8. So you could use many strategies to find the answer to subtract. Whichever strategy works for you, you can show me that on your paper. Show me your work. Okay, I helped you with 2 of them. You have the last one. I want you to think about it and do your work and show it to me. All right, my friends, have a fun day doing your math. If you have any questions, make sure you call me. Okay, bye-bye.